Cut the fat back, or fatty pork, into 5mm cubes. Blanch the pork fat for 3 minutes. Drain well. Candy the pork fat by layering sugar and pork fat pieces. Place it in the refrigerator overnight. Grind the pork through a 5mm die, or you can cut it into 5mm cubes. Put salt, Insta salt, 5 spice powder, soy sauce, MSG, and rice whiskey in the pork and mix. Place it in the refrigerator overnight. Remove the candied pork fat and rinse thoroughly. Drain well. Mix the pork fat with the regular pork. Stuff the meat mixture into a casing. You can use a funnel, but it does require more effort, or you can use a sausage stuffer. Wipe the case sausage with a little rice whiskey. Hang and dry the sausage for about 2 days. I used my small convection oven on very low heat, 80-90 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut into suitable sized pieces and store them in an airtight container in your freezer.